your last day. I've seen people, and I'm sure you have because of social media, who drop dead at any time. They drop dead, subhanallah, young and old, standing as the way I'm standing now, and suddenly drop dead. We saw an imam last week, Jummah, a person from Malaysia. Did you see the clip? Many of you saw it. I actually posted it up on social media. Wallahi, this imam, he started off his khutbah of Jummah in the masjid, a big masjid, and he says, Ashhadu wa ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh, and so on. And he went on to say, ayyuhan nas ittaqullah, and fear Allah, and whatever else, wattaqu yawman turja'una fihi ila Allah. Remember the day you are going to go back to Allah, and all of you be conscious of Allah and be concerned about your own deeds. And the next thing, he drops dead. He passed away. I'm talking of this Jum'ah that just went by. From the mimbar, he dropped dead. I would like to believe that is called Husnul Khatima. There must be some deeds that that brother did. Time of Jum'ah, first Jum'ah after Ramadan, if your Ramadan was accepted, غُفِرَ لَكَ مَا تَقَدَّمَ مِنْ ذَنْبِكَ, subhanallah, and the man is standing there delivering a message, da'wah ila Allah azza wa jalla. He just did the shahada, he just reminded people about the last day, meeting with Allah, etc., etc., and he went. You and I could drop. Wouldn't we like a lovely death? Start off with the Quran. Read a verse a day, one verse. It's not difficult. You don't need anything complicated. Nowadays you have it in your phones, right? Because you have it in your phones, you can pick it up. I know of an app called Nakhtim. Have you come across it? Nakhtem. Some people actually made this app. If you download it, it closes your phone. What it does, every time you want to open your phone, it shows you the next verse of the Quran. Just read one verse and then your phone will open. Subhanallah. You will be shocked. You open your phone 300 times a day. You'll finish the whole of Surah Baqarah the first day. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Are you ready to do that? Subhanallah. In fact, I want to suggest to those brothers to say, give them 2 passes. 3 passes. You know what that means? Read one verse, we'll open your phone 3 times. 3 times. Because it's still okay if you read 100 verses, right? Subhanallah. You'll be shocked. We're ready to read messages from people, but we're not ready to read the message from Allah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us ease. So the main purpose of these few words that I wanted to say was, my brothers and sisters, keep on going. Ramadan has gone, but we are not yet gone. Subhanallah. Ramadan has gone. I don't know if I'm going to see another Ramadan, and I promise you, none of you have a guarantee. Not one of you has a guarantee that you're going to see the next Ramadan.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.